In the last episode of TechThursday, we talked about flexible options for additional modules, and today Björn is going to show us some examples in detail.
Yes, of course. For example, if a customer needs to do some markings on the material additional to the cutting, we have different solutions. So the easiest one is just a pen, which will go down to the material and do the marking in the down position. That's a quite easy solution. We got this marking module from Zint. One other solution is the ink marker module, which is the small black box here. And instead of a pen, we will have ink, which is sprayed to the material. And this is the big advantage, is that it's not touching the material. So we can do complicated contours with that. And if you need a much more complicated pattern or signs and text on the material, we have our ink printer module, which basically works like a normal printing head. So we have to bring the information to the controller and it will print text, QR codes, images, whatever is necessary on the material directly. Sometimes it's important for customers that the marking, the printing can be removed afterwards. So for that, we have an additional module, which is called the label module. So we will bring just a label on the material and then we can print or mark on the label. And later in the ongoing process, the label will be removed by the customer and the material stays clean. So these are our marking solutions we can offer with the machine.
Thank you so much. Bye.